Hello guys, I'll be showing you unboxing and how to use T250 tens machine. So I will be showing you. You get the machine, which is a portable machine. You get 4 electrodes. You get a cable, adapter, and 2 electrode cables. 2 electrode cables. So this is how it looks like. So how to use this machine? This machine uses battery. So to insert a battery, you need to slide up. You will find this position. So it uses 9 volts battery. If you slide it down, you find the operational part of the machine. So first you need to connect to either battery or an adapter. So if you're using an adapter, you can find a slot for adapter on the right side. Then this part you will connect to the main source. So since I'm using on a battery, so to check if the battery is working, you need to, these are 2 amplification adjustments. To see if the battery is working, you either turn one on the right or the left to number 1. If you see you kept in number 1 and it's turning green on, its battery is fine. If you see yellow, the battery is low. So I'm turning off. So now I will show you how to connect the electrodes. You take the cable, you will find 2 sides, this side and the other 2 sides you will find black and red wire. The side from this one, you connect on the either 2 ports, 1 or 2. This is channel 1, channel 2. So you insert both cables. I'm inserting the other cable. Okay, the other 2 remaining cables, you will find an electrode in this format. You take these two cables, you connect to 2 different electrodes by simply doing like this, and the other 2 you do the same. If I want to use or stimulate my muscles, I have to place these 2, red and black, on the same body part. So I will show you how to place it. So you can see here how you place on the hands. So on the machine side, so for one side, this is channel 1 which I've placed, and this is channel 2. So you can stimulate the 2 different body parts at the same time using same machine. So once you slide, you can find there is adjustments. There is normal mode, and there is manual mode, and there is boost mode, and there is continuous or 30 minutes or 60 minutes timing. Then on the other side you will find pulse rate adjustments, and other side you will see pulse width adjustment. So you adjust according to the doctor's prescription or the requirement. So for now I've adjusted to 40, and my pulse rate will be around 20. So I've adjusted, and I have adjust to normal and continuous in time. Once I've adjusted, I will close my device. Then I will turn to amplification side. So once I will turn on, you will start getting the stimulation in the arms. So for now I've placed the amplitude to 3. You can see my hand is vibrating. The stimulation has started.